Good morning, this is Roller Park. I'm here at Zhenghua Park. This is nearer to the Sega estate. Overlooking the site is the Beacon Primary School, and just slightly to the left is the Greenwich Secondary School. I have heard quite a fair bit about the water from this river here behind me, so I'm going to just try out to go down to the river and get a sample of the water. So here I am, I'll be taking this road, the safe way to go to the end of the river here, use the metal railing to climb down, and after that make my way to somewhere around here where there is a hole where water is gushing out, and I'm going to fill up this can with the water and have a taste at it. Okay, see you later. Bed of the river, a little slippery and filled with a lot of leaves and other sliding, so to be very careful as I walk along the river bed towards the spot where water is coming out. The much talked about spring is located. Okay, so I'm going to get my cooking right, and I'm going to just open up my water container and get the water. So let me put this bag safely on the edge of the river. I can begin to fill up my water bottle. Alright, so this is the spot where I'm not the first one. Many uncles have come here every morning to collect bottles and bottles of water. And I was told that they have tasted the water and said that the water tastes different, and they have even done an experiment between the water collected from here versus the tap water. They put them in two separate containers and let the water settle down for a few days, and they saw that the water from here does not give rise to sediments, unlike the water from the tap. Well, not sure how true this is. I've not seen it, but let me do the first step by collecting a sample of the water first. So here I am, collecting the water from here. Let me just wash it with my hands and see how it feels on my face. Okay, I gave it. Feels like normal water. Okay. Okay, it's almost clear. Well, it may look a little brownish, but looks can be deceiving. Yeah. The water apparently comes from the source that's very clean, so I don't think there's any worry in tasting. History. Alright, I will collect this and bring home. Thank you. I'm going to make the return trip back. Mission accomplished. Thank you so much. We'll keep you updated on this water, the spring water from Zhenghua Park Connector. Thank you. Have a great day.